Hello, I want to give you a short introduction of what we're gonna be doing in this course. So we're gonna be learning how to use basically the CDAP, Google Datafusion managed instance. If you're able to learn Google Datafusion, you're also able to work with CDAP open source if you want. Okay, but here we don't need to manage much things. And also we're gonna be using Cloud Google Storage as our main input source and BigQuery as input and output source. On cloud storage, we're gonna be using it, but it could be also in an AWS S3, it could be in a blob storage Azure bucket, but for simplicity, we're using cloud storage. And also in BigQuery, you're gonna be running some queries, creating some different kind of queries. Right, so first thing, we're gonna start by taking a look on an overview of what is it Datafusion, of what problem it solves, looking at the concurrent tools, so checking out the look and feel of the concurrent tools also. And we're gonna move to work on learning a bit of the architecture and basic components of Datafusion, which are Datafusion instance and Dataproc. We're gonna understand what is being managed for us, how we are benefiting from that, and also we're gonna be learning the main differences in between the execution environment and the Datafusion instance. Then we are working with BigQuery. We're gonna learn how to do some queries, create or replace queries, do some casting data transformation. Also, we're gonna learn how to create a upsert query with a merge statement, which is an advanced concept for BigQuery. We also gonna learn another advanced concept for BigQuery, that is partition table. We're gonna learn how to use them, how to leverage partitioning to make our queries faster, more reliable, and save money. Okay. On the Google Cloud Storage side, we're gonna be creating a bucket and some folders inside of it to organize our data. Input folder will be the folder where we'll be updating data, or any system will be updating data for us to read, and then there is the other folders for some processing organization. Then on Cloud Datafusion, we're gonna create basically 3 pipelines. Credit bronze, where we bring the data to our bronze data lake layer on BigQuery, and card silver and credit silver, where we bring the data to the silver data lake layer on BigQuery, right? So credit bronze will be responsible for moving files in the Google Cloud Storage buckets, ingesting it. We're gonna do transformations on Wrangler. We're gonna learn some transformations, directives, regex, some functions that are very useful and handy for us, and we're going to store this data in the bronze layer. Moving on, we're going to create together the credit silver layer pipeline, and here we're going to learn more transformations. We're going to learn how to execute queries and trigger queries within, and also how to use macros for templating our pipelines. Okay, and those 2 pipelines we're going to build together, and there is a third pipeline that is going to be a challenge. Of course, I'm going to give you all the details and resources like queries and schemas that you need to be able to manage to create all of this by yourself. And in a short video, you're going to have a feedback on how to do all of this by yourself, and also how to trigger and schedule all of them together. In short, this is what we are going to be building in this course.